Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Rolling Hot 5. I'm Rachel Schlarb alongside
Bree Rhodes.
And we have some really great and new and some awesome music into the studio this week, and I know our DJs are really excited about it.
First up, we have Daniel Docherty, and wow.
A DJ favorite coming up, seriously.
Oh, yeah, his music is just so good. I love it. I played it the other day on my show.
I love it. We've been getting some really great digital downloads, and Daniel Docherty is definitely one of them. You guys really have to check it out.
Honestly.
Alright, so for my Rolling Hot 5 pick, I told Bree we had to have this in the studio because I loved it, and I thought it's going to be country, but it's not. This is True Marks, and really, if you look at the album, there's a guitar, it's like a country vibe, and I don't know what it's been, but everything I pick up, I'm like, oh, this is country, and it's not country.
So far, she's 2-0.
I am 2-0
on her guessing, and well, hopefully one day Rachel will get it right.
Yeah,
but
hopefully one day.
But they like to surprise us, and this is honestly an album I can say I've been thoroughly surprised, and I really enjoy it. Yes, and I really enjoy it. It's kind of like a mix, a little bit of maybe a little bit of country in a way, but like with other aspects. Like they have that country-ish sound, but not enough to classify it as strictly country. Next up, we have one of my personal favorites. I love this album. Well, kind of, it's on the same album, but Echo City.
Burn me!
Yes. And it's just so catchy.
Oh, my beautiful singing.
Oh yeah, it's been stuck in our heads like all week. We've been singing it, and it's usually just the burn me part, which sounds
it's
really
only
weird.
The chorus, which is really funny because Bree and I will just be like Echo City, then the other one will just sing burn me. No, it's great.
And it's like, and not that the rest of the song doesn't matter, because it's like the music's really good, everything else is really good, but then it's that chorus.
Yeah, it gets you. It's stuck in your head. That's when you know you're really going to like the song.
A true burn.
Alright, so this is one of Bree's favorites. Bree loves Michael Johnathon, and we have his new album, Pirate Art.
I was really excited when I saw his. It was actually kind of funny because I was super excited when I saw his album in the studio, but then the CD wasn't there because we were still in the kind of the process of like putting it in and out, which we tend to do sometimes, and we'll leave it in our little studio. So then, but the moment that the CD was back, I was like, yes, and I love it.
The funny thing of it all, Bree goes, Rachel, we have a pirate album. And I didn't know what she meant, but it's more of a spooky, eerie. I want to say more of like eerie.
Yeah, not like a sea shanty like you would think,
and not like scary like Halloween.
Yeah, it's more of like almost a mellow, like I'm a pirate, but it makes me sad.
Yeah.
Last but not least is Nation with Baltimore Rising.
It's one of my favorites. I told Bree the only way I can describe this song is the beginning intro where it goes da 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 da, and it's really intense.
It really is. I heard this song again for a little bit because it's like I've heard it. It's been a little while, and just I don't know, every time it kind of surprises me because it's just so good.
It is good, and it's another one of our digital downloads, probably one of my favorites. And I say that about all of them, but we've been getting some really good music.
Thanks for tuning into the Rolling Hot 5. I'm Bree Rhodes along with
the fabulous Rachel Schlarb, because fabulous, I mean, come on.
And if you want to catch more music, you can go to orbitmediaonline.com under the WMCO music tab, where you can check out more artists, what we've been playing, even send us music.
And you can also check us out on WMCO 90.7 every Tuesday and Friday at 9 and noon to get a little bit more of an inside look on some of the new music we play. And you can also check us out on Twitter at Orbit907music. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Have a great day.